Hi everyone, Glen Gallucci from Peak Properties and Peak Private Lending. This is one of our houses that actually was just went under contract. We put it on the market within 3 days. We had full price offer, actually 2 full price offers. One was a little over asking, but we didn't think they were that strong, so we took the second offer, which was full price, which is pretty good. So the house is finished. I just want to go in now and take a quick check and maybe see if there's any punch items to be done. This is something I think every investor should do, even before you go under contract, but it happens so quickly. So let's go through and just see some of the things that maybe need to be done, because everything is done from what I'm told. Okay, let's go take a look. Before I even come up, I see the lights on. I don't see a front doorbell. I mean, you gotta have a front doorbell. The very first thing I noticed. Okay, that's number 1 on the list. Okay, so we're walking in. Okay. Oh, so we got here. Okay, we need some light switches there. Okay, looks very nice. Great job. A couple of quick things. Plates. That's not going to be acceptable. Some recessed lighting. Is hanging. Okay, can't have hanging recessed lightings. That needs to be completed. A little patchwork here. I think what I'll do is I'm going to go through real quick, so I don't have to keep you guys on this the whole time. But I'm going to go over it real quick and see what some of the things are. We're waiting actually for a panel for this. Okay. Look, there's the side panels on this dishwasher, and I bet you $1 to a donut. This is, yeah, it's not even set correctly, so that needs to be done as well. Okay, a couple little things. How do you open and close these doors? There's no holes there. All right, I'm going to go through it, and then I'll get right back to you, and let's see what we come up with. Okay, so the house looks pretty nice, right? And it does. A couple little things that I found. Let me see, I had to actually take my pad out to do it. Here's page 1 of some of the punch list items. Only 13, okay, maybe not too bad, but wait, there's more. Second page, a couple of punch list items. These are not all big things, these are little things. Window latches, door handles, door sticking, some caulking needed, okay? That's 28. Then we go even to the outside. Now we have another 38 things that need to be done before the house is sold, and more importantly, before the buyer's home inspector comes. The home inspector will have a field day with this. It's not that much work, but you can give this to your contractor, and what I do is I tell them, cross off every one that you've done. So when they did all 38 of them, which may only take a day, okay? When they did all 38, that's 38 things less that the buyer's home inspector is going to find. And I guarantee you, even with all these 38 things done, they'll still come up with 5, 10, or 12 more things, to do. So this is a great thing. Do your own punch list before the home buyer gets here, the home buyer's inspector gets here. Or you could even have your home inspector come through again to find out if there's anything that you missed, anything that might be a little bit more costly, or more importantly, scare your buyers away. Okay? Yes, it's a couple $100, $200 or $300 to have it done, but they'll give you a complete list. And even then, I've done this many times, even then, the buyer's home inspector will come up with a couple little things. So there it is, 38 things in my quick 15-minute assessment of one of our houses here. But you know what? We're gonna get it done. We're gonna get the guys here. It'll be completed, it'll be sold. Again, it's full price, so we're real proud of that. That's great, right? Do your own punch list, guys. That's the tip for today. Even if you're a new beginning investor or someone who wants to get into the business, we have your back. Peak Private Lending will give you the funding you need to get these projects, to buy them, to renovate them, sell them, and turn a profit, a nice profit at that. You don't have to have experience. We don't do any credit checks. We're not going to look at your bank statements. No reserves are needed. We'll give you advanced rehab drawers to help you out, same day drawers, and there are no drawer fees. So when you need a drawer, we're not going to be charging you for that. We're just going to send out that drawer right away, and you can get into this business as well. We have a whole team to help you. I've done it for so many of my students. I've helped so many of my students go out there, get these houses, give them the money they need when they need it, without all the red tape, and they get it done, and they make a nice profit. We have some new investors that have already turned well over 6 figures just in this year alone. So if you want to get into the business, or you're a little inexperienced, or even for you advanced rehabbers out there, we have a lot of flexible terms. Give us a call. go on our website, peakprivatelending.com, and we can help you out. Thank you and goodbye.